So finally done with the shopping for the festival.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ
You can
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
just see this.
ಒಂಚೂರು ಹಿಂದೆ ಹಾಕು.
Good morning, all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Bikers do it better. I hope you all guys are doing fine. The thing is that even today I didn't go for office. I'll tell you what is the reason. Like from past 2 days, I was suffering from cold. Today morning around 4 a.m. I got slightly pain in my heart. I thought like I was so worried. What is it all about? When I consulted the doctor, then they said it's all because of gastric. Simple. Why gastric? Because I'm into sales. Like I didn't say about that part. I'll reveal you on my work part in any other day. Like I'm into a sales job where we can't have our food on time. Like we'll be having appointments, meetings, like anytime. Like when we start to go, like when we go for lunch, no, around 1, again we get a call. Like you have an appointment, you have to be there at 1:30. So this is where we lag on our regular food part. The schedule what we make for regular food, it will not happen. It keep on skipping. So that's why where I got gastric. So I got a slight pain in my heart. So I got antibiotics. Now I'm feeling fine, totally fine. Still there's a small pain which is going around, but still yes, okay. Compared to morning, now I'm far better. So as I said, it is not even a cold, not even a COVID. Cold was there. Cold was a part. As I said, I got wet in rain on I think on Monday evening, I guess. So that was the major reason where I got cold. And then it's not a COVID. The third thing which I got is gastric. So I'm totally fine now. So there's a good news for you all people. The thing is that today is a friendship day. So happy friendship to you to all my friends, colleagues, to my childhood friends. Happy friendship to all. Friendship day to all. Like I got a call morning itself. My childhood friend, Mr. Rajesh Kauda. I think I'll show you. I'll show you later. This is a small meetup around 7, I guess. We all friends gonna meet up around 7. Then I'll explain you deeply about my all friendship things. What all fun we done, what all fun we had in the childhood. I'll explain you on that part around 7, I guess. Now again the same thing. I'm so hungry. So I got up again late now. Like I went for like I met doctor. I came back again. I slept. Like it was hectic. I was so worried what's happening to my health. Karke. Now I'm totally fine. Fine in the sense, okay, I'm getting better. I think by EOD I'll be fine. Totally fine, I guess. So this is to tell about you people. And again, once again, happy friendship day to all my friends, to all my YouTube subscribers, who all are watching my videos regularly. Even for them, happy friendship day. So tomorrow is the month end, the closing day. Like usually many people doesn't know this. When people who are into sales job know, they know what is the month end pressure. Even on the high pressure, I'm taking leave. So bad. I can't do anything. As I said, health is wealth. If we are good, if our health is fit and fine, then we can do anything. If our health is itself not good, what we can do? So this is what the first thought which I came to my mind. So I took holiday. Like better resting is better than taking risk. So let's keep this much for the day. I'll catch you guys after some time. Take care all and love you. Bye bye. Hi guys. I forgot the main thing. Hi all. There's a one more festival which is going on tomorrow, which is Varma Lakshmi Fest, which you all guys already know. So when I got up after a nap, my mom remembered me that there is a Varma Lakshmi Fest. I need to get some items for the festival. So I'm going to get the items now. See you guys after lots. Take care all. I'll catch you guys. Bye bye. So finally done with the shopping for the festival.
ನೀನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕಪ್ಪ
Okay,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
let's see this.
ಇನ್ನೊಂಚೂರು ಹಿಂದೆ ಹಾಕು
When we take our mother for shopping now, Papa, they'll just keep on standing in the same shop. They'll bargain, they'll search for something better. Oof. Instead of sending like my mother or my sister for shopping, we can itself just go and get. We itself can go and get it. If they give us a list, no, easily we can only get all the things instead of sending them. Done with the shopping. Let me have a cup of tea. Then catch you guys later. One friend has arrived, so we are going for friendship day meetup. Let's show you the first friend. He's the first one. Say hi, loafer. He's covered his face. Hey, what's up?
ತಲೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ನೋಯ್ತಾ ಐತೆ.
ನಾನು ಈಗ ತರ. So we have a habit that every week on Thursday we'll be visiting Sai Baba temple. So even though it's a friendship day, it's been 2 weeks we didn't go for Sai Baba temple. So we are heading towards Sai Baba temple. We'll just have a small darshan of Sai Baba. Sai Ram, Sai Ram. The peace of mind what we get after visiting temple, that's something unexplained. So that too, visiting every Thursday to Sai Mandir, which gives so much of peace of mind. So just visited my temple, now waiting for buddies. As I said, friends get together. So see you there. Bye bye. Finally, we all are here. As I said, the small get together party. Say hi to them.
ಕಳ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗು.
ಬಾ ಬಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾ. Say hi to them. ರಾಜೇಶ್, ಶಶಾಂಕ್, ಚಿನ್ನೆ, ಶಶಾಣ ಮಕ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ. He is the one.
He is the one.
We are on the way. came to an end. We had a wonderful evening with all our friends. As I said, the friends get together. So he's the one who's heading back towards his home. Even let me go back to my home. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So if you like my video, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you like my video, please do share with your friends and colleagues. Like, if you don't like my video, you have a dislike button. You can dislike my video and you can comment below. So this is your Preetham Madhura signing off. Take care all. Once again, happy Friendship Day to all my friends. See you all. Bye bye all to my Bengalurians.